Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Hey, I'm so excited. I got my We Are Memory Keepers button punch, or button press, sorry. HSN had a special on this a while back, and my friend Joan had got one, and she was sharing the projects that she was doing with it, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to do this. So in my mind, I'm thinking there's so many things you can do with these buttons that you make. First of all, you can give them away as gifts. You know, if you have pictures of family members or whatever, you can make the buttons of that. You can also make them for scrapbook layouts and cards. And then if you have Silhouette or Cricut or any of the SVGs that you want to upload into your software, you can also make buttons with those. You could also do fabric. I've been watching YouTube videos. So I know there's more, but I just got really excited. I need to open this up and show you guys. So this is how it comes. I had everything in a box in bags, and it was making too much noise, so I decided to take everything out for this video. It comes with the instructions on how to assemble it. Now, if anybody knows me, I don't know personally, I'm really bad at putting things together. I always ask my son, or my sons, or you know, whoever. I don't like doing it. So that's going to be your press here, like this. It comes with the 3 button press sizes, and I just took out the large one just to show you. You have an option of putting the foam adhesive behind it. That would be for the cards and the scrapbooks. And then you get your Mylar covering, which if you want it shiny, you would put that over it. And then you get where your image goes on, and then if you want to make it into a pen, that's your pen. Now it comes in these 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. I just didn't feel like taking all of them out. So this video is just a, you know, kind of a box opening thing without the box, but I am going to be doing other videos showing the buttons that I'm going to be making. I am really excited about this, actually. I already said that, but I am. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by, and we'll see you in a couple days with some projects.